Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. It's early morning, stopping in here at Lowe's, grabbing some material. Today I'm doing a lot of sump pump repairs. At least that's what's on my estimate schedule, a lot of repair work.
So this is like the first job today, and you can see how hot and humid it is. Anyway, so sometimes we come out and we find where someone's already plumbed stuff from the sump basin and it didn't work. So I dug all this up. You can see it goes over to the basin. We're replacing this. It's not glued yet, just kind of showing you. We're going to tie into an existing 1.5-inch line, but this was really, it was just corrugated pipe, flexible 1.5-inch or 1.25-inch pipe, and of course it clogged completely. So we went ahead and replaced that, and you can see nothing's glued or tightened down. Haven't tightened up the no hubs or anything, but I just wanted you to see, some of the repairs that we get these all day long. In addition to live help, and in addition to installing, and all the other things that we do. So while I was here, I went ahead and convinced them, let's put in a new Zoller M98. So we put a new M98 down there, and this should really handle. You can see the garden hose is filling it up, kicks it on. Of course, it's sending it all the way out here to a pop-up in the yard. Let's take a look out here. It just comes down the yard, and you can see that water coming up right there. A little pop-up. It works good. You can see I've already cleaned out, got most of the sand out of the line. But yeah, just a simple job. We do them all day long. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.
You are building the French drain the wrong way. Only I can build a French drain.
We've been getting so many emails asking for more Sideshow Bob, so we went ahead and moved Sideshow Bob to his own channel. Check the description box below. Enjoy, subscribe to Sideshow Bob, and he will tell you how wrong you are.